Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bangladesh. Today I have a special video for happy first birthday of Mahdi. So this is Mahdi's cake, and first of all I'm just showing the recap. We had to cook for 400 people. He had 400 guests in his first birthday, little fella. So now we hear reviews.
No, my picture.
Are you looking forward to after lockdown?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
It's lockdown is 3 months,
Yeah.
4 months now.
So do you feel like getting together? Do you feel like, what do you feel like?
No, I feel like I'm here at
You're
home.
alive.
I'm here at home.
We've been
At
COVID.
home. Yeah. Honeymoon is here, mangsho খাইছি.
How was the food?
Lovely. আমি জানি রাসদুল্লাহর খানি না আমি খাইয়ারি বুঝতে পারছি রাসদুল্লাহর খানি is always nice because not only today I've been eating it for last 25 years so I know it's never I can soon as I tasted I said to Jewel রাসদুল্লাহর নি খানি for তোমার কইলাম না তো আমি কইলাম না the flavor for oil so yeah
How was the food?
Food was excellent, really nice. Every single guest of mine, they loved it. Everyone says everything exceptional.
I've never experienced.
Yeah, the chef, chef খাইছন, chef খাইছন, alhamdulillah আমিও কইমো, chefের খানি হলো যতজন খাইছন really nice. আর আসলে যেটা খানিটার মধ্যে আসলে ভালোবাসার মিক্স আছে, ভালোবাসার মিক্স হয়, খুবই ভালোবাসা তাই না তাই বাচ্চা চালিয়ে কইছেন আমার তো চালিয়ে দেয় তুই কোনো চিন্তা করিস ইউটিউবে যাইব ওই শেষ করি শেষ করি তাই কইছো যে বলে না আমার বাচ্চা এত চিন্তা করিস না এরপর আমি বলতেছি আমার গাইড দিছি তুই তো লাগি চিন্তা করিস আমিও কথা বলবো এরপর তাই আইসো না ইয়া সার্ভ করছো রিয়েলি অ্যাপ্রিশিয়েট ইনশাআল্লাহ আল্লাহ
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আজকের খানি
আমি মসজিদের সেক্রেটারি।
জি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আজকের খানি খুবই মজা হয়েছে স্পেশালি গত 2 দিন আগে জুয়েল বাড়ি জিজ্ঞাসলাম যে খানি খাইতে গিয়ে আনরায় তো কইছে রাতুল্লাহ ঠেকে তাকে মুতাইবাই দিবা কইছে মুতাইবাই দেন যদি ইনশাল্লাহ খানি মজা হইব আর 1 ঘন্টা আগে থাকবো খুব মজা করে খাইছি ধন্যবাদ ভাবি ধন্যবাদ ভাই
So here we have 3 sheep. That's about, after fat, is 90 kilo of mutton. Approximately 90 kilos. Little less or more. We have here about 40 kilos of chicken into pieces. Going to be washed. We're gonna have on the menu is meat curry, mutton curry, and chicken jalfrazi and dal. So all the onions are ready. Bags of onion. This has been washed. So this is being washed. And in one, the chickens are being marinated and fried, and meat, the onions been added to meat and letting it cook. So these are chickens. So we fried the chickens before making the jalfrazi. Here are marinated chicken, and here are the meat before the spice have been added. Another big pan. Onions are added before adding the meat. So the 90 kilo of mutton is being cooked in 2 big pans. And the spices are using big spoons, about 4 spoons of each. So we have coriander, chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder. All the dry spice powders are going in. That's for 1 pot. This is the first time I'm seeing all this large cooking. So the spices have been added to the meat. Adding tomato puree. and chicken are being fried in one big cooker. So this is the finishing of one. This is 45 kilo of meat, and that's 45. So it needs 2 people to carry it down while it's been cooked. So they've cooked. And this is for jalfrazi. Onions and peppers are going to be cooked for jalfrazi. So I will not be showing in detail because I wasn't there the whole time. So first there goes the garlics, and then the onions and the peppers, and after that this is what chicken jalfrazi looked like when they finished cooking. And they're the starters: sheek kebabs, salad. We have here samosas and chicken nuggets. So for starter we had sheek kebab, chicken nuggets and samosas. And here's the dal with dried chilies and tarka on top. And dal and the rice and the starter was cooked in the morning before the party, but the meat curry and chicken jalfrazi cooked the night before and warmed up in the morning before the party. This is 2 pans of meat and 2 big pans of jalfrazi. And we had about 4 pots of rice. We were looking at about, I don't know how many kilo rice there were, but there was a lot of rice left over. Everybody enjoyed the party. I did not want to take individual party pictures because of privacy. So just the decorations was really nice. And his first child, first birthday. He was a lockdown baby, so not many of us had a chance to see him. And the party was a get together, and all of us enjoyed ourselves. And the food was nice, as you see the reviews at the beginning of the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and more recipe. And don't forget to like, comment and share with friends and family. Thank you.